We shall now witness the exchange of salutes of the outgoing and incoming cadet officers. We shall now proceed with the formal ceremony of the change of command, starting with the color officer and band officer. Platoon leaders. Company commanders and staff. Battalion commanders and staff. Brigade staff. And finally, the brigade commander.
Asag drone.
calling. Great leaders harness personal courage, capture the hearts and minds of others, and empower new leaders to make the world a better place. Dearest Class Bagsik, we would like to thank you for taking the courage to be a part of the CTU officers and for becoming our leaders. For almost 8 months of waking up early in the morning for Monday inspection, agility and special formation, ensuring that your juniors are doing their part as a criminology student. Multitasking from studying to your OJTs and being an officer as well takes a lot of courage, perseverance, and passion. Yet, you chose to become one. Thank you, Class Bagsik, for your unending love and support, for showing your unexceptional ability to unite your fellow cadets, for capturing the hearts and minds of your juniors, for inspiring the leaders in our college. Today,